and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I clip my ends. This is very important and I feel like I have not done a video like this, and that's mainly because I only get my ends trimmed when I get my hair straightened, and I feel like I just haven't done it in a while. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I trim my ends in between time, because clearly I'm not getting my hair straightened in the summertime. It just ain't gonna happen. But my ends look so bad, and by the time I do straighten my hair, I want my hair to at least retain the length that I'm gonna cut off today. I've actually already blow dried my hair out. Well, pre-blow dried it out. I've done it with the Rev Air, but I did it super duper quick. Now I am gonna be going back through my hair. I have to make my hair as straight as I can before I start to cut my hair. So what you're gonna need is a blow dryer, of course, whatever your favorite blow dryer is. I love the Dyson, so that's what I'm gonna be using, with a nozzle like this. Also going to be using a big paddle brush. Also gonna need a rat tail comb and some shears. These came from Amazon. I will link them below. They're pretty good to me. Of course, there are betters out there, but they ain't $7, and these are $7. So yeah. So let's just get started. I've already taken the back, and y'all look at my ends. So bad. So bad. So I don't know how much I'm gonna cut, but I do want to go ahead and really like blow my hair out till it's as straight as I can get it. So let's do it. All right. So after you've done that, you want to take your rat tail, because this is what's gonna get all of the tangles out. You just want to make sure you really comb through those tangles. Just comb it all the way down, just to see kind of where I want to cut. So take a look at what my ends look like. They are extremely crappy, and it looks like I gotta cut a lot off, which I should, but I'm not gonna cut too much off. I think I'm just gonna cut about right here, and then I just go ahead and snip those ends off. Like, you just got to, okay? You just got to do it. So this is how I do it. It's clearly not the best way to trim your ends, but this is what works for me, and I think it gives me a nice cut. These are pretty sharp scissors. Kind of got to cut quite a bit. Let me see. See, y'all can see. Can y'all see this? That much. Got to cut it off. So go ahead and trim those ends off. And then I just like to make sure the back is pretty even. You're gonna need multiple mirrors for this. So basically I'm just going to keep going up my hair, doing the exact same thing. I'm gonna be blowing it straighter. So I like to just go in a row, like from the bottom, and work my way up. My hair is pretty sticky, so it's giving me weird vibes. It's like something I put on my hair was not legit, but the show must go on. So I'm gonna take this section here, brush it out, and then I'm gonna take my dryer. Dry it. Once you've dried that whole section, you don't want to take a huge section. You want to split them up. Now, some people like to take the hair from the back to give them a good sign of where they should cut, but my hair isn't cut evenly, and I'm not trying to cut it evenly. I'm just trying to trim my ends. Okay. Having to cut off so much hair, y'all. It's like bittersweet right now. But I know this is going to help me in the long run, so keep cutting, just keep cutting, keep on cutting.
Be
the sides, I like to brush it outward. Like this. And then you cut those ends off.
All around me I see pieces forming, transforming my way, walking down these endless pathways to recover broken fate.
You guys, so I have completely trimmed all of my hair, and my hair is sticky because I left some Aztec clay mask in it, and that is literally the worst feeling ever. Like, you can feel that you need to go wash your hair, but your hair already dry. So I just don't recommend doing Aztec clay mask anytime before you decide to trim your ends. But as you guys can see, my ends are looking so much better. So much better. Look at that. They look so good. I actually feel liberated right now. I see all these like dead ends and I'm like, yes. Throw them away. Throw them away. I feel like I can just really run my hands through my hair now, which was definitely getting some tangles. But it is shorter. It is definitely shorter. But I'm happy with it. So I hope you guys are trimming your ends, okay? No ends left behind in 2019. Cut your ends, sis. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.